Okay, so once we've flashed the device, usually what I like to do is I like to unplug it, wait a few seconds, plug it back in. That way we know that it's rebooted and starting from scratch. I don't know if that's a necessary step, but that's what I usually do. And then we want to go either on your phone or on your laptop. You want to go to the networks. And you want to go to, you're looking for Tasmota. Should be only one unless you got many running. And it's going to connect, and it might even say that there's no internet connection, but that's okay because I'm just going to cancel this. That popped up asking whether it was a home network or a private network or work network. So what we want to do is go in the address bar here and put in the IP address at 192.168.4.1. Yeah, that's it. So there you are. Once you're here, you put in where it says SSID, you'll put in the name of your network, and then down here you'd put in your password. And once you do that, then you can access it. It'll be on your network, but then you have to find the new IP address that you have for it. It'll get a new IP address assigned to it from your router. So if your computer is at a 192.168.1 dot something, then it'll be a 1 dot something as well. I'm on a 10.0, so it's going to be in that range. And I've actually, I'm not sure the best way to find it. I don't know if it had the MAC address, you could maybe do a search through for the MAC address, but I don't see that here. So anyways, that's it.